Hi everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to see what's new on Discord. Seeing what's new on Discord involves knowing where to look for official announcements and how to pass upcoming features. So we're going to start with on the app itself. From the app here, you tap on your profile icon at the bottom, tap on the gear icon at the top right, and then go all the way down until you see what's new. Then tap on it. And here you get to see everything that is new on Discord. You can see everything you need to know about it. And if you want to have access to their social media, tap on each of them and you get to see that. So that's it. So the second way you can do that is through the official Discord blog. This is the primary source. So you can find it by going to discord.com/blog. Then you can also check their Twitter or X account. Also, that is at Discord on Twitter or at Discord on X. Okay, at Discord on Twitter /X actually. Then we can also check lastly on YouTube and TikTok. So this is for TikTok, and then you can also check for YouTube. It's as simple as that.